Dear colleagues, associations, partners, our friends, heads of powerful, large, well-known companies, our partners in the direction with which we work on the reconstruction of Ukraine, we invite you all to the opening of the conference. We congratulate you on the fact that it is the first one we have organized, and I believe that the number of companies that have expressed interest on the part of both our foreign partners and Ukrainian partners, out of 20 countries in the world, this suggests that this topic is really interesting and the CCI, Ukrainians are not taking care of it. I would like to emphasize that we are happy and realistic. Having experience in the field of alternative energy, we have experience in supporting a turnkey project that someone wants to implement in Ukraine. We are responsible and agree that everything that is done in Ukraine, we know how to do it correctly, how to do it according to the law, how to protect the investor, how to protect the one who invests his money in reconstruction. Here are some unclear situations because we are well informed about what is happening, what the legislation is, and how things actually work in practice. And these events are all happening, which are, as they say, the support of investment projects. This is what we know and can do. And I thank you very much to everyone who participated, to all those who expressed a desire to collaborate. We are waiting for specific projects and concrete proposals from you. These could be areas and the creation of joint ventures. These could be areas such as reconstruction. These can include areas directly related to the implementation of projects that are interesting for collaboration together in third countries around the world, and everything that is potentially interesting for business, attractive and promising. Thank you.